Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson. This is today's Tàijíquán Tip. And the idea today is to imagine sunlight falling on you from above, soothing, warming, comforting. And for the moment, I'll just imagine the sunlight is falling on me from directly above, so at noon. And shifted the particular focus here from the sunlight to what is shaded, so that I'm shifting my mind into the parts of the body that are more yin with regard to the falling sun rays. So, for example, the armpits and the groin, or perhaps under the breast or under the belly, or as I bend my knees, maybe the calves or the back of the knees. Perhaps if I straighten my legs, they receive sun. Perhaps in your form, it's your belly if you come forward, just as a couple examples, right? Certainly the bottom of the feet would be one of those. So it's just to kind of shift my awareness to the yin in light of the yang in my practice. I like to do this practice where I do it literally with the sun, and I like to do it metaphorically with the sun, imagining the sun. And when I imagine the sun, I might imagine the sun changing as I go through the form, or I might do it as an actual practice when the sun is low or high or low on the other side. And what are those differences depending on where I'm facing in my form? Is it really the whole anterior aspect of the body that receives the sun until I turn around, and then it's the posterior? So something to enjoy. I find that it's much easier to pay attention to the sun when it's sunny than the shade. So that's kind of the idea. So, and please just make sure that you're proactively reaching out to those who need your help in these studies. Thank you.
Thank you very much for the tips. They really help me stay in business and stay alive. This last one, I'll show you ways to get in touch with me on my link tree. So appreciate all the support and shares. Thank you.